A new era has arrived. Humanoid robots are no longer just science fiction. They are becoming real coworkers inside factories, warehouses, hospitals, and even space programs. The question is no longer whether robots will replace humans. The real question is how humans and robots will work together. Around the world, companies are building machines that can walk, lift, learn, and collaborate alongside people. In this video, we'll explore some of the world's most advanced humanoid robots and discover how they're transforming industries, changing the future of work, and bringing us one step closer to a world where humans and intelligent machines work side by side. Leading this revolution is Akin Robotics from Turkey, with its ADA and Mini ADA robots. These humanoids are already working in shopping malls, airports, museums, hospitals, and hotels, greeting visitors, answering questions, guiding customers, and even displaying advertisements. Meanwhile, Boston Dynamics Atlas has become one of the world's most impressive humanoid robots. After evolving from a heavy hydraulic machine into a fully electric platform, Atlas can run, jump, carry heavy objects, maintain balance, and perform movements beyond normal human flexibility. It has even been tested for professional film production, where extremely precise camera movements are required. In warehouses, Digit from Agility Robotics is solving one of the industry's biggest problems: labor shortages. Digit walks like a human, climbs stairs, carries boxes, avoids obstacles, and can work continuously around the clock, making logistics operations faster and more efficient. China's Walker by UB has already entered real automobile factories. It performs quality inspections, installs components, transports materials, and works safely alongside human employees. Its automatic battery swapping system allows nearly uninterrupted 24-hour operation. Another promising newcomer is HMND, designed specifically for manufacturing and logistics. With advanced AI, powerful vision systems, and flexible robotic hands, it can pick products, organize inventory, load machines, and adapt to changing work environments. Perhaps the most famous project is Tesla's Optimus. Built using Tesla's expertise in artificial intelligence and computer vision, Optimus is designed to handle repetitive factory work today, while eventually assisting with everyday household tasks in the future. Beyond Earth, NASA's Valkyrie represents the future of space exploration. Built for future missions to the Moon and Mars, Valkyrie is designed to construct habitats, perform maintenance, and prepare dangerous environments long before astronauts arrive. The humanoid robot revolution is already here. These robots are moving beyond laboratories and into factories, warehouses, and even future space missions. Instead of replacing humans, they're becoming valuable partners that take on repetitive and demanding work while people focus on creativity and innovation. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to Mandarin Tube, and join us for more incredible stories about the future of technology.